In this video, we're gonna help this truck shine brighter at night. So what I got here are some headlights. They're called Wolf Storm headlights. You can get them on Amazon for about $100. They look really good. They have a nice black housing with the chrome behind for the light to bounce off. We also have the Oxylum LED lights to put inside of these. It's gonna look great, shine a lot brighter than they did. With the headlights on, you can see that they have a little bit of moisture inside of them, and they're very faded and dull from just years of weathering. And they also have the lines to, I think, to refract light, which just doesn't do anything good for us really in modern day cars and all that. And this one you can see is a little bit dimmer, maybe not on camera, but that's dimmer. So that'll be another reason to switch these out. Now, standing in the middle of the truck, these are what the headlights look like on my wall. Not very bright. A flashlight could definitely do a better job. So sit tight and we're gonna go ahead and install these and we'll show you what they look like. To get these things out, we have a 10mm bolt right under here. We have another one right here that we can get out pretty easy. And then we have one right here. And then the whole housing will come out. These will come out together. And then we just got to take this rubber off, which this one does have it. So I'm just gonna use a 10mm with an extension to get this out. One up here. Just sneak it in right there, and you can go ahead and get it from there. So now we're ready to pull it out. It might be a little tough. Here we go. It's just this bottom piece that was keeping it in. We'll just have to be careful putting it back in. And from here, well, I guess this light connector came out of this bulb, and then we'll just pull our turn signal one out. And then there we have it. We're gonna go ahead and leave this in because we have the LEDs. If you don't, then just pull them out. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and open up the LED lights. Voila. Pretty easy to install, not that hard. So these are what they look like. Very cool, but you have a LED right here, probably for low beam, and then another one for high beam, I'm guessing. And then it also has a little fan up here so that you don't have to have the fan back here. So we'll be able to plug them right in perfectly. They connect with the OEM fitting. What we're gonna go ahead and do is connect them to the back of the new headlights so that we don't have to do that when they're in the truck. All right, so one thing to mention, when you're putting these in and installing them, the clip on your truck is the top where you would clip it off is gonna be right here, which is basically to the top of the headlight. So you're just gonna wanna put it back in that way. You can twist it around too to find the spot, hopefully. But they'll basically go in like that with this on top. And then you have this that we'll just put right on. Should be good, nice and sealed. And then with the blinker, we can just slap that right in as we put this in. So there we go, easy. Like this long piece, we'll just slide in right there. Just like that, really easy. We'll go ahead and connect the headlight. There we go, swoop. Nice and fresh. That is way brighter and white compared to before. That is really nice. There you go. That's what it looks like. Really nice with the blinker on the side too, compared to this. At the wall, you can just completely tell where the light's actually focusing on instead of this side. With the brights on, again, you can kind of see where this one's kind of focusing at, but this one is just perfect. I like the way it looks. We're gonna get the other one in, check it out after. is low beam. That's high beam. We can definitely see way farther. So I have you guys on the dash, and this is what it looks like cruising kind of on like a back road with a few lights. And then I'll show you bright. All right guys, so there you have it. They look crazy bright. Hope you get yourself some and install them so you can see at night. So if you like, subscribe and comment if you want to know anything. Thanks for watching.